Robustrue 21 volt brushless impact. 740 foot-pounds of nut-busted torque. Let's go give it a try out there on that old bread truck that I know them studs and nuts are rusty on. Let's go check it out. Before we head outside, I want to show y'all what comes in this package, y'all. We got the impact. We got two 4 amp hour batteries with a charger. Couple impact sockets from 17, 19, 21, and a 24 with a 6-inch extension. Y'all, I used this thing in the last 2 OBS GMC truck building videos, and I put this thing through the ringer. So I'm not just pulling a brand new tool out the box. Like, I've actually been using this thing. It's that you can't really see it, but look, it's pretty dirty, y'all. Let's go test it out there. Already got that socket on there, that nice little Vivo 7/8. Let's go ahead and put that on there. Let's see what we got. Yo, things are on there. I don't know if y'all could tell by just that little video, but them things were tight out there. I'm talking, you could see my hands shaking and almost twisting before we take them off. Dude, that little Robustrue impact got some torque, bro. I mean, honestly, I don't know what more I could do for this video because, like, it speaks for itself. It works. I will give y'all a little rundown video maybe about a year from now after I've been using it. But dude, I've been using this thing for about a month straight now. It's definitely better than this junk. Well, I actually can show you something. Check this out. I've been using this same battery since I charged it out the box. I built the whole OBS GMC with it, used it on various different projects, removed this, and look at the battery level still, yeah. That's absolutely insane. Pick yours up to there, yeah. 21 volt, 2 4 amp hour lithium batteries. It is what it is. Overall, y'all, I'm super happy. Got a button. It even has a brake. Got a light, real powerful LED. I'm gonna keep using it, keep ripping it, and I'm gonna let it ride. Y'all, if you like this impact, make sure to check out the description below for the product link and my exclusive discount code. Later, y'all. Peace.